Hi friends, my name is Ellie. Welcome to Joyful Journey Fit. So happy you're here with me today. We will flow through a sequence of movements to feel energy, to feel warmth, to feel centered, balanced. All of these elements coming from within you. So let's start our workout with breath. Come to find a comfortable spot, either on the floor, in a chair, in this easy pose, or with your legs out wide, whatever feels good to you. Come to that spot, meet your body with ease, with comfort. You're gonna sit up nice and tall, our sit bones anchored on the mat or within the chair. We're gonna draw some circles around our knees. And you can rock through your torso, fully engaged through the shoulders. Close your eyes if you wish. Just igniting that breath, inhaling and exhaling through the nose, feeling the warmth, feeling the balance on both of those sit bones. We're going to circle the other way. Let's draw our hands to the side. Again, feeling balanced in our spine, rooting the tailbone, zipping up all the way to the crown. Hands on the mat or on your chair. Let's flip the palms up. Take that beneficial inhale up and exhale those hands to heart center. Flowing with your own rhythmic breath. Listening to the breath. Feeling the breath. Feeling light within the fingertips, calm within the shoulders. Two more times. Connect the hands to heart center. Just quiet your mind. You can close your eyes or have a soft gaze. Feeling that balance of breath in and out through the nose. And quieting the chest, remaining secure and constant. Those hands to heart center. While the belly actively moves in and out, bringing life to the body. And you may open your eyes if you had them closed. We're going to take that right hand down towards the side and lift that left arm up and over, just drawing that shoulder towards the spine, away from the ear. Rooting down equally on both of the sit bones. I'm going to open up and then cross. Just open and then come into that side bend. Just again, just flow with your breath, flow with the movement. Feel light, feel free, smile. One more. And we'll take a nice inhale, extending that arm out to the side. You're going to exhale and draw that left hand to that right knee. Draw that right hand back behind or by your chair, by your hip. Settling in, feeling your breath, feeling quiet. You're going to slowly lift both arms up. Take them up with that inhale. Slowly exhale, drawing the hands back to the knees. If you're in this easy pose, we're going to slightly just open up and cross that other leg in front. Again, finding that balance on the sit bones, feeling grounded, zipping up through that core, feeling strong, feeling centered. We're going to go through those circles again on the knees. And just rocking forward and back. Coming back to that rhythmic breath. That unique melody. That song of breath. We'll circle the other way. So that we'll root the hands down, nice and tall through the spine. Lift the palms up, connect with the breath, inhaling, and exhaling, slow, smooth, and steady. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale up, exhale down. Once more, inhale up, and exhale down. We'll plant that left hand beside you. That right hand comes up and over in that side bend. Again, just pausing here, rooting down through that right sit bone, equal weight. Just feeling strong and supported with your hand. Slowly lift up, cross over, extend out, and draw in. And bringing balance to the movement, feeling that freedom, that flow of energy, and feeling good, doing well to exercise for your body, stretch and release any tension or tightness, and just being in the moment, being in that present awareness, that self-care moment. Very good. We'll do 2 more. Excellent. This time we're going to open up and draw that right hand to that left knee. That left hand comes back or by the chair, by your hip. And again, just pause here. Actively breathing in the stillness. Start to lift both arms up, nice unison, lifting tall, lifting strong. This time we'll circle through the wrists, just lowering the arms gradually down, gracefully, peaceful. We'll send the hands beside or on your chair, on your thighs. Pedal through the feet, heel toe. Again, making the exercise work for you. Everyone is unique. Everyone has that ability to exercise, to be present for that self-care time that's unique to you. We're going to slowly lift the arms up, root down through those sit bones, nice tall spine. Inhaling, you're going to exhale, arms nice and parallel, palms are down. You're going to shift the shoulders back, the elbows come back, and we draw near. So again, parting and then drawing near. Coming back to that breath. Inhaling as you lengthen, exhaling as you draw those elbows back. Good, one more time, extending forward, coming back in, rotate, coming into that L-shaped cactus. You're going to send both arms up and both arms down. Starting out the exercise, feeling that balance, feeling that strength. One more. Extend the arms out to the side. Just draw those palms together, still that nice flat back. Okay, nice and calm, but yet supported. That breath guides the way. One more. Draw those arms down by your side. Pedal through the feet. Again, heel toe if you're in the chair. Excellent job. One more exercise. Feel rooted, feel balance, feel that strength, peace. Lift the arms up, take a nice inhale. We're going to forward fold over the legs. Draw the body in, coming near. Lift up nice and tall. Swoop the arms down into prayer. So we'll lift up nice and tall, swimming the arms up. We'll forward fold down. Articulating through the spine. We'll send the arms back, coming from far to near. We'll lift the arms up and connect those hands to heart center. So each time flowing with your own rhythm, taking the arms up, forward fold down. Send those hands in line with the legs, connecting to your body. Root down through the sit bones, lift up nice and tall, and connect those hands to heart center. One more time, just being free with the movement and creating a sequence that's unique to you. And draw towards the body, lift up nice and tall, and then root down, always rooted, always supported, always balanced within you. Let's draw those knees back in, come back into that easy pose. If you're in the chair, just remain seated. And draw the hands, forming that embrace with the knees, connecting, closing your eyes if you wish, or having that soft gaze. Place that right ear close to that right shoulder. Pause here. Gently roll forward and connect the ear to the other shoulder. Again, pausing. Slowly draw to the other side once again. And one more time, cycle through. Come centered, forming that long chain from the tailbone to the crown of the head. We'll send the arms up just one final time, inhaling up, exhaling down. Thank you for practicing with me today. Always take time for you. Draw in that present moment. Be free, be at peace. Always discover that positive in your day. Blessings, friends.